Hi, your body remembers and it's okay. Most people think trauma is about what happens to them, but trauma is really about what happens inside your nervous system. Your body reacts long before your thinking mind has time to make sense of anything. So when something's overwhelming happens, the nervous system stores patterns of protection. These patterns are not flaws, they're survival strategies. Your nervous system has one primary job: to keep you alive. It scans for danger, predicts threats, and reacts faster than conscious thought. When stress or fear repeats over years, the nervous system learns to stay alert. It can show up as tension, irritability, shutdown, or difficulty relaxing. These reactions aren't personal traits. They're the body saying, I've had to stay ready for a long time. Trauma-informed perspective doesn't ask, what's wrong with me? It asks, what happened to my nervous system? And how did I learn to protect me? This shift removes shame and replaces it with understanding. It helps people see their reactions as adaptive, not defensive. When we look at trauma through the lens of the nervous system, everything begins to make more sense. Your reactions are not random. They follow patterns your body learned during overwhelming or prolonged stress. These patterns were designed to help you survive, not to make your life harder. The nervous system uses 3 states: a regulated state, a fight or flight state, and a shutdown state, and now they're talking about a fawn state. People often move between these without realizing it. You might feel restless, tense, or on edge. That's fight or flight. Or you might feel numb, disconnected, or exhausted. That's shutdown. Neither state means anything is wrong with you. They simply show your body learned to cope. Gentle movement, slow breathing, grounding, and predictability routines help the nervous system feel safe again. Not because they erase the past, but because they give you, the body, new experiences of calm. Over time, these small moments teach the nervous system that it doesn't have to stay on high alert. Healing is not about forcing change. It's about offering the body consistent signals of safety. Your nervous system has been protecting you for a long time, even when the danger is gone. The patterns can remain. This is why people sometimes feel confused by their own reactions. They think, why am I still like this? But the truth is simple. Your body learned to survive, and it hasn't yet learned that it's safe to relax. Trauma-informed psychology focuses on understanding these patterns with compassion. It recognizes that the body holds memories in the form of tension, breath patterns, posture, and reflexes. You don't have to relive the past to heal. You simply need to give your nervous system new experiences that feel safe, steady, and predictable. This is why gentle practice works. Slow breathing, grounding, and simple movement help regulate the system without overwhelming it. They create small windows of ease, and those windows add up over time. Nothing about you is broken. You're learning new patterns at your own pace, on your own time. Your nervous system is doing exactly what it was designed to do, protect you, and now it's learning how to soften to protect you. If you liked this video, please watch my other videos. I have yoga videos, I have shorts, I have more educational videos like this. So please feel free to look around my channel. And if you do like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.